What's up, guys? Tux Cards 03 here with my very first YouTube box break. In the background, as you see, I have my Todd Gurley's. Todd Gurley is my main PC, being that I'm a Georgia Bulldog fan. I collect several Georgia Bulldog players, mainly Todd Gurley. Today I'm going to be ripping a box of 2015 Gridiron Kings. 1 autograph, 1 mem card, 7 rookie cards, and 3 rookie red frame cards per box on average. Look for a special guest insert, performance art featuring a jumbo swatch from a Stars Players Majestic game. There's the back. Alright, so let's dive into it. Getting this box open. There we go. Pack, empty box. Alrighty. Pack number 1. We have Dez Bryant, Kendall Wright, Kelvin Benjamin, Ben Roethlisberger. These are obviously what the base cards look like. There's the back. Gale Sayers, Chris Conley, rookie card, former Georgia Bulldog. Walter Payton, C.J. Anderson, and Kid Reporter. These right here are the red frames and the blue frame. Next pack. Demaryius Thomas, Odell Beckham Jr., Blake Bortles, Andre Johnson, Jordan Matthews. We have a Devin Funchess. We have a Amari Cooper. Nice insert. We have a Adrian Peterson. Kid Reporter. Alrighty, pack number 3. Latavius Murray, Jeremy Hill, Phillip Rivers, Bishop Sankey, Tavon Austin, Bryce Petty, rookie card, Odell Beckham Jr., Expressionist, Robert Griffin III, red frame. Next pack. Ryan Tannehill, Cam Newton, Sammy Watkins, Peyton Manning, Paul Peluzny. We have a Matt Jones, red frame. We have a Ghost to the Post, Dave Casper. We have a Geno Smith, red frame. Alrighty, next pack. We have a Mike Wallace, Andy Dalton, Andre Ellington, A.J. Green, Deshaun Jackson. We have Amir Abdullah, rookie card. Jerry Rice, all-time stat kings, 22,895 receiving yards. Cam Newton, red frame. Alrighty, on to the next pack. Colin Kaepernick, Devontae Freeman, sorry. Jason Pierre-Paul, Joe Flacco, Mario Williams. We have our rookies, Nate Orchard. We have a Deion Sanders. We have a Le'Veon Bell, red frame. Alright, next pack. Frank Gore, Johnny Manziel, Jordy Nelson, DeMarco Murray, Anquan Bolden. We have a rookie, Bud Dupree. We have a Robert Griffin III. Nice insert. We have a Barry Sanders, red frame. All-time stat kings, 99.8 career rushing yards per game. Alright, next pack. Larry Fitzgerald, Matty Ice, LaShawn McCoy, Alshon Jeffrey, Aaron Rodgers, number 37 at a 249, David Johnson. Nice patch, David Johnson. We have a Shaq Thompson, blue, a Teddy Bridgewater, red frame. Alrighty, 4 packs to go. Gerald McCoy, Marquise Colston, Taylor Gabriel, Alfred Morris, Robert Quinn. We have a rookie card, Melvin Gordon. We have a Gridiron Kings, J.J. Watt. And we have a red frame of Calvin Johnson. Alright, 3 packs left. Adrian Peterson, Rob Gronkowski, Sam Bradford, Carlos Hyde, Doug Martin. We have a Paul Hornung auto. Wow, nice. Sticker auto, Paul Hornung. Nice auto. We have a Joe Green. We have a red frame, Doug Martin. Alrighty, 2 packs left. Jarvis Landry, Antonio Gates, Matthew Stafford, Calvin Johnson, Alex Smith. We have a Carlos Williams, rookie card. We have a Barry Sanders, all-time stat kings. We have a Julio Jones, blue frame. Alrighty, last pack. Eli Manning, DeMarcus Ware, Russell Wilson, Marshawn Lynch, Jason Witten. We have a rookie, Leonard Williams, Joe Montana, all-time stat kings, 3 Super Bowl MVPs. And last card, a red frame, Jordy Nelson. Alrighty, not bad. 2 hits in the box. Autograph Paul Hornung. And a jumbo swatch of David Johnson. Alrighty, that's it for today. I'll be back with another video soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.